I'll start by adding my washed and deveined prawns into a bowl, adding my black pepper, garlic powder, ginger powder, and 1 egg. Then I will give this a thorough combination, a thorough mix, and leave it to marinate. Then I will be using 1 orange, squeezing out the juice out of the orange. So after squeezing out the juice, I will just transfer that into another bowl or plate, and then I will add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Then I will also be adding half cup of brown sugar. You can choose to use the white sugar, but in this recipe I'm using brown sugar for healthier food. Then I'll also add a half cup of cornstarch, and I'll whisk that together to combine and put that aside. Then I also take another half cup of cornstarch, all-purpose flour, half cup, paprika powder, and I'll give that a thorough combine and set that aside. At this time, the prawns are marinated, and I will just go ahead and coat the prawns with the flour mixture that I did earlier on. You can choose to use your hand in this process, but make sure your hands are thoroughly washed and clean. And when bringing it out of the flour mixture, make sure to dust out the excess powder or flour.
People in the street, we ain't gotta live in no shame, we ain't gotta live in no pain, because God can transform you. He make it sunny like that.
This time I want to say a big thank you to all my returning subscribers. You are the best. To everyone who has subscribed to my channel while I was away, I appreciate you and thank you for keeping me growing, and thank you for liking my content. Thank you for your comments and everything. And if you are coming across my video or this channel and you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please just hit on the subscribe button, put on the first bell. This will enable you get notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much to my super chatters. Thank you to my members. I appreciate you for keeping this channel going. God bless you and keep watching. So all done, this is how it looks like. I will transfer vegetable oil into my pan after preheating. Then I will add my coated prawns to deep fry. You can actually use a deep fryer for this recipe.
People say, cause I'm on my mission. I suffer God was with it. He gave me what I'm missing. I made the greatest decision to give my life away.
You want to fry for 3 to 5 minutes and it is done.
It's what I'm living for. I ain't got no regret. I can't let go. Holy Spirit flow. I got my treasure.
After deep frying for 3 to 5 minutes, bring it out of the oil, and then I'll repeat same process until I am totally done with the whole prawns. Please, if you like this video, don't hesitate to share to your community tab, to your other social media platform, and don't forget to invite people to subscribe to this channel and watch my videos. They might learn one or two things from my videos. Thank you and continue watching.
People in the street, we ain't gotta live in no shame, we ain't gotta live in no pain, because God.
Don't forget the recipe says jelly prawns, right? So after frying the coated prawns, this is what it looks like, and then we are gonna proceed into making the jelly for these prawns. So I'll make sure to heat my cookware, or you can use a fry pan for this. After heating and making sure it's very hot, then I turn in my orange mixed batter, and it instantly becomes jelly. Then I'll turn off my cooker and give this a proper mix. If you feel or you think the jelly is too thick, you can add some more orange juice or little water. At this time, I've added my fried coated prawns, and I'm just gonna make sure they are totally mixed and combined. I added a little bit more of orange juice because it was too thick, to make it more soft jelly. At this time, my cooker is on in a very low flame. After 2 to 3 minutes, this is the end of our jelly coated prawns recipe. Mind you, be careful while it's immediately off the pan because it can be really hot. Until next video, stay blessed and stay safe, and don't forget to try the recipe. Bye.